Hello, Win. I'm showing how do I work with your files now. I can see that you have two setup. That is not logic. In this case, you just need to have one setup. So I'm going to cut this, put it at the bottom. I presume the second setup is what you want. The first one I will delete. Yeah. So I've checked the files. The file seems that you have only one cutter for these two procedure. So to post is simple. You just select this one and go to post, and then just the two procedure will automatic loaded here. And just select the post processor. Make sure, of course, you install the post processor correctly. And select where you want to save the files. So I will put in the C drive, Nissan. Yes, Nissan. Okay. And because you only have one cutter, so to select the split or not split, the outcome is the same. Both the outcome is the same, but it will not give you any error. So after you select this option or not, next you need to confirm the NC setup CS. This is the CS that you want to use for your program. And if you want to rename the file, you can rename. I put x66.h, and then just click OK, and you should not have any error. And now it's done. So I'm going to show you the G code. Here's the G code. Let's make the screen smaller. This is your G code, and make it backplot number here. That's all your G code. This means at my site everything is okay, but I'm not so sure what happened at your site. But if there's an error, you can always check the output. Yeah, send me the message of this output here. This one. If you cannot get this one, you can come here to view, panes, and output plane. Just on it, and you have a log area. This is a log. It will tell you if something wrong. It will tell you what is the possibility, you know. So you can look at this. Send me the message. Capture a picture for me if something wrong. I need to look at this.